SILVER ATENA Electronic Systems Engineering develops test systems with mechatronic load units. There is an evolution in steering systems, from hydraulically supported assisted steering right up to modern electromechanical steering systems with dynamic drive support. New electromechanical steering systems offer many innovative possibilities in vehicle development. They lower the consumption of fuel. They support dynamic driving optimization. They offer the driver a very variable and driving situation dependent steering support. And, due to their construction method, they are low maintenance. There are many new challenges during the development of new electromechanical steering systems. Poorer haptic feedback of the driving characteristics. Higher electrical integration requirements when used in dynamic driving situations. Increased requirement to test for the ascertainment of functional security. Reproducible and precise test results for control calibration. Acoustic behavior of the electro steering. The dynamic characteristics and the complexity of the steering systems are increasing, but the necessary testing systems for this must always be a step ahead. One has to rise to new challenges. A shift of tests from the test track to the test bay is unavoidable. Test bench experiments give you many advantages, such as reproducible, precise test results as the basis for layout and calibration of the control systems. Execution of safety-critical tests to optimize the reaction during system fault situations. Automated development of software, hardware and system acceptance tests in standalone operation. Realistic validation of steering system prototypes before the first employment of vehicles. Acoustic tests, free of interference, under real load conditions. Realistic emulation of driving attempts at the limit. Emulation of highly dynamic load situations, such as on poor surface areas or reactions to avoidance maneuvers. Trials in a test bay are an important step for reducing development costs. What is necessary for the representation of realistic, highly dynamic loads? Standard drives of steering test bays can nowadays no longer fulfill the demands with regard to path, positionability and strength. Our engineers set themselves this challenge and have found the optimal solution with electrical linear drives. The key areas of the development were the design of precise regulation concepts with low hysteresis for the mastery of extreme dynamics, the minimization of the resting effects of the linear drive, the optimization of active cushioning of the moving mass, with the customer-specific tuning of thermal behavior and frequency limits of the equipment. The SILVER ATENA linear drives show impressive performance data. Exactitude in position and strength of 10 microns and 0.2% of the regulation parameters. Nominal speeds of over 750 millimeters per second. Acceleration values of 10 meters per second squared. Maximum strength of 30,000 Newton. Continuous nominal and holding forces of 18,000 Newton and 15,000 Newton respectively. Impressively low breakaway torque with almost wear-free bearings. Extremely low noise development, as well as an open control concept for customer-specific adaptation. The efficiency of the development accompanying tests can be clearly improved by the linear drive test bays of SILVER ATENA. Their advantages, in summary: very high dynamics with real loading profiles. Closed-loop drive with driving dynamics modeling and automated malfunction simulation. Perfect strength and position regulation. Direct strength imprints. Low maintenance and operating costs. We accompany your individually adapted steering system test bay with a multitude of service and development achievements from one source. From the specification to the construction and the supervision of complete testing bays, right up to creation and integration of your real-time models. We advise you and accompany you during the production and the carrying out of tests for safety-critical systems. For this, we use our experience with the established development norms, such as the IEC 61508, the ISO 26262, or your group standards. You can find further products from Silver Atena at www.silver-atena.com. Silver Atena. We develop today the technology which is called progress tomorrow.